This great craftsman character home is situated on a quiet cul-de-sac street. Curb appeal abounds with stone accents, dormers, window boxes, and professional landscaping, and the interior is even better. Fresh paint welcomes you into this amazing charmer with neutral colors, wainscotting, and a huge two-story vaulted ceiling. A utility hallway to your right leads you to the half bath, laundry room with lockers, and a spacious three-car garage with plenty of space for needed storage and yard implements. To the left of the front door is the dining room and kitchen with custom maple cabinets and tile backsplash, pantry, coffee center, desk, and an island that makes it easy to entertain in this open concept home. The kitchen flows effortlessly into the amazing formal dining room and then to the great room. From the kitchen, you can step out to the sizable freshly stained deck and enjoy the summer breeze. The backyard has plenty of space for fun and features a playset as well as raised garden beds for beautiful vegetable or cutting garden. Finishing out the first floor is the primary suite with a beam tray ceiling, double vanities, large closet, and a great walk-in shower. The open stairway with wood railing has new carpet that continues through the entire upstairs. There you'll find 3 good-sized bedrooms, 2 which feature a vaulted ceiling. There are so many great details that come together to make this a gorgeous home. All of this could be yours. For help finding your way home, call Tom Quinlan.